You always have a foundation, and then we make adjustments. It's like when you're cooking, right? You do cooking. I know you cook. You have a similar look to the guy that used to do the photo field trip. You have a similar vibe. You know, the guy that used to do photo field trip.
Oh yeah.
No. When he's Chamberlain. Yeah, the hair and stuff. He's a little more. But I'm looking at you right this second because I took his photo. You guys are blessed with a good hair. What are you gonna say?
That's the only way you can get a sale is through they have to emotionally react.
They have money. Or they nuts.
They're buying you, not necessarily your
Oh, that's them?
That's why people who are lesser value than you are looking higher because they are showing themselves, right? And they're creating an emotional reaction to who you are as a brand. All right, so how do we do this? So that's great, Scott. So how do we create an emotional response? Meeting ambiance, where you meet reflects your brand. Now, I live in Los Angeles, and studio, if I were to book a $10,000 wedding and own a studio in Los Angeles, my lease and my rent would be astronomical just to try to woo that client. And then half the time, my clients go around the world, so they wouldn't.
See how calm I am? I'm very calm and collect.
So how could I? And my house is a complete mess because you know how it is. I got computers, I got camera gear, I got crap all over my house. My wife is continually yelling at me, you got to do crap.
Calm and collect.
It's just a mess.
And then I get to the photography.
2 kids, we live in a small place. It's not going to happen in my house. Trust me. That's just not going to work. So what did I do? What was my secret? I met at a 4 or 5-star hotel. They've already spent the millions of dollars in furniture. So I just bring my little albums, I would take them out to dinner, or I would buy them some wine or drinks, right? And I would meet them. So here's a key. If you don't have a nice place, just meet at somewhere that looks nice. Just research a nice hotel around you. And you know, I would go there so much, like the people that there would know me on a first name basis. It's like I was thinking in my office, right? Okay, your imagery is cool.
What kind of smile is that?
The key.
Is that like your woman's smile?
Especially now. No one's ever seen a pretty photo. Okay, I gotta tell you, I get giddy because.
And just do your teeth, mouth a little slightly together, like this. Squeeze your mouth slightly.
And I'm so happy. It's like it's rare. Prints are a rarity. Okay? It's like, believe it or not, prints are luxury brand. Because it's something that just doesn't show up on your phone. You can touch it. You can feel
only if it doesn't cause
it.
reflection.
When you have a nice album,
Let me
touching
see.
and feeling and looking at their images.
I got it. You are the portrait person.
It makes a huge difference, right? And sets that emotional response.
So you face this way a little bit.
Hospitality, right? So
You're gonna do me one favor.
Wants to inquire about my prices, and they're nearby.
Stay where you are, but take your glasses off.
You know what? I don't really discuss my pricing over the phone.
Same position.
Do you want to meet?
All right. So you face this way.
Now, I know some of you can't
Head this way.
so I have a
Breathe through your mouth. There you go. Nice. Don't move, but put your glasses back on. Yep. Try to keep your face where it is. And do that nice smile you had before. I like the right before you become politically correct smile. I like that one. You give him a nice smile. There you go. Thank you, Jason Group.
Is that it?
Easy peasy. All the work's done before.
So, like whatever it is.
That's why I like continuous light more.
Because you got a very